Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a golden glow video by using this effect on CapCut. So here, what you need to do is just click on effects and go to the video effects. Now just find the nightclub category and select the flash vibration effect. Okay, this one's right here. Click on adjust, and here what you need to do is set the color to around 52 and the range just adjust it to your liking. Atmosphere 100, and then here set the glow to your liking. I'm going to go with 35 and then speed 0. Okay, now this is the setting, but you can always adjust it to your videos. Here just adjust the length, and this is the golden glow video effect. So guys, that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.